6 years after it began an initial investigation of Israel's actions in the Palestinian Territories, the International Criminal Court has opened an official inquiry into alleged war crimes. The decision comes just weeks after the court ruled it has jurisdiction in the territories. Outgoing prosecutor Fatou Bensouda said in a statement the investigation would cover crimes within the jurisdiction of the court that are alleged to have been committed in the situation since the 13th of June 2014. That date coincides with the start of the bloody 50-day Gaza war. The ICC prosecutor has said there's a reasonable basis to believe Israel had committed war crimes in that conflict and since, such as the Israeli response to protests along the border fence in Gaza in 2018, drawing a furious response from the Israeli Prime Minister.
The decision of the International Court to open an investigation against Israel today for war crimes is absurd. It's undiluted anti-Semitism and the height of hypocrisy.
The investigation is not exclusively expected to focus on Israel. It will also likely include a probe of rocket attacks by Palestinian militant groups against Israeli civilian communities. Despite that, the Palestinian Authority welcomed the ruling, as did the Islamist group Hamas.
We welcome the court's decision to investigate Israeli war crimes against our people. It is a step towards achieving justice for the victims and to punish the Israeli criminals.
Meanwhile, the United States has come to Israel's defense. A State Department spokesman said the court has no jurisdiction in the matter and that Israel was being unfairly targeted.